Are 30mm wheel spacers safe for Mercedes G class? BONOSS manufacturer-produced wheel spacers are made of high-grade forged 7075 T6 aluminum alloy, which features many desirable properties, such as high-strength wheel resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high-temperature resistance. This metal performs good mechanical properties. Compared with ordinary aluminum alloy 7075 materials, the tensile strength and yield strength are about 5 times higher. So if you want to get these BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe our new channel, BONOSS Wheel Fitment.